when the hot air moves up and goes to the scalp, these are the area there's a bony prominences in the front. So automatically the hot air goes and lodges itself in the thing for a long time because it could not come out because there's a projection inside, so it gets locked. So automatically the hair pit in that area is totally being burnt out. So that is the reason for any baldness to start with, it comes and affects this particular area. Automatically any youngsters, hair fall, they can note it only in this area first to start with. And another area, the whole body, which is the highest place, you call this one of the vertex. So this is the area, the hot air will go and get lodged. So that area, actually the hair pits, particularly the root of hairs that are present in that area, they will be also get burnt out. So automatically you see baldness in this area to start with. Likewise, body is totally, the scalp goes and make a little height in the center. So that is the reason for anybody, the baldness will be much seen in this area particularly, but not in the temporal area. So what happens? Automatically, if you happen to touch the skin, it will be in this hair, it will be normal. But if you feel the hair in the center, automatically you can see the thinning of hair. What is the thinning of hair? Why this is thick, this is thin? Very simple. You take any plant, if the root is normal, plant will be healthy. Automatically when the root actually goes off, what happens? This will wither off. So it will fall. Any plant will fall because the root is not normal. It will not have the required amount of nutrition for it to survive. So automatically it becomes withered off and it falls. That is what happening here. That is the reason the hair which is going to fall will become very thin. After some time, naturally it will shut down. So because we know the reason for that, we have got treatment in acupuncture. Yes, how we go about this? So what I should do, 3 things I should do. Number 1, I have to eliminate the already collected hot air from the body out of the way, number 1. Number 2, I have to stop the further production of the hot air. Number 2. Number 3 is I have to strengthen the hair pit. If I do all those things, automatically the hair pit will be normal. So how we go about this? Daily 40 minutes I'll ask the patient to come. On their side, they have to consume 1 apple and the green vegetables in their lunch. 1 apple per day. This they have to consume. Other things, no. I will not ask them to go for any application of shampoo and all, because everything is chemical. So we don't advocate. So for some time, let them be out of all those things. They have to come for treatment, 40 minutes a day. For how long? For 60 days. Within the 30th day, I can show the first result. The number of hairs falling will be limited. After 40 days, you can see the thickness of the hair. Automatically, the thinned hair will become very thickened. After 60 days, totally there will be a total stop of hair fall. So when you will treat for hair growth, when you are driving a car, unless you apply brake, you can't take a U-turn. That is, everybody knows it. Likewise, unless I can block the hair fall, I cannot achieve hair growth. So only after the 60 days, after the hair fall is stopped, then only I'll ask a patient to come 15 days in a month, in where I can easily show them the growth. Growth from where? Will it be from here? No. This is the area which would have gone long back, so all the tissues would have been dead. But from the margin, because it would have been a limited time, at least a week's time, or 10 days, or 15 days, not more than. So immediately you will have effect when you can see the effect from the margin of baldness, and it will come down. If you happen to do 15 days in a month for some time, automatically you will gain back your own thing. And another very important thing I would like to tell is, age is not a criteria. 60 days, 60 years of age, it could be easily done. After 60 years of age, because the production of the chi within the body itself will be slowing down, it will take a little longer time. I don't say we cannot do that. It will be little longer time. For somebody it may be 60 days, but those kind of people it will be 90 days. That's it. But you will see the effect. And the best part of acupuncture is, once you are treated, We'll tell them what are the things you should not do. Number one, overthinking. Number two, exactly I tell you, only late night sleep. If anybody goes for late night sleep, definitely you take it from me, automatically their hair will go. They will be landing in baldness. And this everybody should make it in mind, because if you go for late night sleep, nobody can change you. So your lifestyle, you have to change it in that way. After the therapy is over, we'll ask you to continue apple per day, because it will be the irrigating, it gives an irrigating thing to the hair pits. Strengthening the hairpit is one game, and irrigating them is another game, because once you sow some seed, you will not come back. You keep on watering it all time. Then only the plant will come down. Likewise, you not only I can strengthen the hairpit, I can also water, give nutrition. That could be done only through the apple, taking apple daily one. That is okay, and once and for all. But if they keep doing or repeating the same lifestyle, definitely it will repeat again. The only one thing we request them is not to be awake in the late night. That is the only thing. If they control that one, their mental turbulence will control it by doing acupuncture within the 60 days. That is not a big deal. We can easily make them to go for a compartmentalized thinking. So crowding of thinking, how we do, we don't sedate anybody. In a sedation, it's just escapism. Because the patient, once he gets up, he has to face the whole lot. He'll be multifold, he'll be confused. We are not doing that one. We'll make it as compartmentalized. So that anything, your attention will be there, your acute brain will be there, but you will not feel the stress. That we can do in acupuncture, because we got certain important points to get you to that level. That we'll do. So by this, baldness is 100% treatable. So young guys, particularly in the age group 25 to 35, I see more than 80% of the population, young populations, they are landing in baldness. Even for ladies, I can say, the height of the the hair, day by day it is shortening. This is what happening. So this is one of the best things you can make use of. Thank you.